Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the call problem in your device POCO C55. So if in this device you are having an issue related to the call, like the call is not connecting or not working, I will tell you how you can fix it. Before I start the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's watch complete video, follow all the steps and you will learn about it.